not a gambling man. I'm not like you.
Golden pull.
Hey, Jake. He's gonna call it. Ready? Or do you want to call for him?
I'll call it.
No. Let him call it.
He's like, no.
For me.
I'm gonna blame you if I lose.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Call it. This is her identity. Market manipulation. Holy sh. I'll do 900 middle point. I don't want to. 900 middle point is 86%. I think that's fair.
1,000 or...
Let's just do like 850, 950.
No. Let's do a bigger one then.
Oh man.
Let's do 5 up and down.
500? Holy.
If you want.
Holy. Say it with me. Holy. That's too much for me right now.
Too much?
Yeah.
Then 13.
What about 300 foot?
Okay, yeah.
Bro, relax.
I don't know. I just threw out a number.
Let's do 800 or 1K. I feel good. All right. PayPal.
I'll be back.
What? All right. Coin flip. Base set Mewtwo. 800 or $1,000. Ready? You want to do the spin-a-room method now?
Nah.
Why not? It's fun.
I don't like that.
Okay.
I'll call heads.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. You got it. He scared the out of me. I was like,
All right, baby. I will see you guys.
He's gonna be back in like 5 minutes.
oh, that's crazy.
I'll walk around.
How much did you want on it?
3.
300? You want to flip 250 or 300 cash? With Mihawk?
I'll do a flip, but I would want to be above 300. But I'll do the 250.
250, 325. Sure.
Let's do it.
All right. We're coin flipping. What was your name?
Chase.
Chase. Nice to meet you, man. For the BGS 10 Japanese Armored Mewtwo, 250 or 325. This is heads. This is tails. You ready to call?
Wait.
This is tails. This is tails.
Tails, okay.
That's heads.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2.
It's tails.
I think that's his.
You said tails, right? You got it. All right. 325. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it.
You guys take it easy.
Thank you. What do you want to flip?
20 more bucks. I was like, all right.
85.
That's your offer.
So I'll do 21 or 22.5.
Dad, you ever seen one of these? The first edition.
2100 or 2250?
Yeah, I put out like 55.
I
Mazal.
put it 55 myself, yeah.
All right, my friend is here. He's selling me a bunch of rainbows. We got Gyarados from Crimson Invasion. We got Forbidden Light Lucario. You don't see these cards often. Umbreon from Sun and Moon base set. Sylveon from Guardians Rising, really cool one. Rayquaza from Celestial Storm. And Lugia from Lost Thunder. We're gonna coin flip 2100 or 2250.
Always tails.
Ready? You call. Heads, tails. Ready?
Tails.
He's already calling. 3, 2, 1. He says tails. Tails. Every time it hits that and it lands back, it gets tails.
Last time you beat me though. Very
Yep.
bad.
All right, 2250, brother.
Yeah.
Did you use that and 40 on top?
You give me 40?
Yeah.
40, 50.
You want to flip 40 or 50?
You have to. It's required.
I know.
Do you know where you are? They don't call this the milkman station for no reason.
All right, let's do it. What is this?
40, 40, 50?
40, 50, yeah.
Okay. All right. Cash, right?
Yeah.
All right. Gil is trading in Umbreon and Glaceon in a 9. He's getting the Umbreon V Alt-Art, and we're going to coin flip. He's going to throw in either 40 or 50 cash. Tails, heads.
They know.
Ready? It's only 10 bucks. It's like fries.
$10. Go.
It's like a couple burritos or something. It's like nothing crazy, dude. Ready? 3, 2, 1. You didn't call it. Did you call it?
She said heads.
Oh, okay. You got it. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I want Mew. Please.
I'm about to get cooked right now.
Mew. I'll take a look at that Reds challenge. And then Mewtwo, please.
Oh, this one?
Yes. No. Yes, please. Jesse and James, por favor. What are you asking on your Rayquaza Poncho?
64.
Holy, you're taxing. 58?
Really?
You want to buy it?
Isn't it hitting 6,000? Like
The shiny one, yeah?
well,
Holy cook.
no, I've already gotten an offer for 6 on mine. So.
Really? Damn, I'm asking too low then. Buy mine for 5.8. I'll sell to you right now. Makes sense, right? But okay, I would like Leafeon, Mew VMAX. Oh, that's cool. I like the Glaceon.
Yeah, that one's Japanese.
I like it.
You do?
Yeah, of course I do.
Oh, did you want it? Or?
Yes. Oh, Zapdos. Dude, you got the stuff I need.
Yeah, that one's a nice one.
Zapdos, I love that card. How much is Alicia?
I think it's 160 right now.
160. I'll take a look at that too. Let me look at the rate too. All comps I saw were like around 550.
500.
This is what the Glaceon comps are. It's like 400 to 500.
Wow, great.
Hold that one. So you want to value market at 500?
Yeah. What were you thinking?
Last sold's 404. You're going back like a month and a half.
Holy cow, it's been a month. Okay, 450.
That's market.
Yeah.
That's fair on market.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, Mew, what do we value that? It's like mid to, like, it's around 260, I think, or 270. Let me check. What do you value Mew at?
I don't even know.
It ranges from like 270 to 300. I'll value it at 290. Last soul's 285.
Yeah, that's fine.
290, cool.
What are you seeing on the yeah,
Leafeon is cooked. All the comps are under 200. It's like 195, 175, 180.
You beat me at 200.
You trying to cook me? You beat me on my flip over there, remember?
Alright, fine. 190.
Okay. So we said 450 market on this,
Yeah.
290 on this, and 190 on this. Whoops. This is like 170. This is
Say 975, but
270.
I may come on the 110.
Okay. So this is her like brand.
No, that's my career.
This is her identity. My identity is the coin. Her identity is this.
Yeah.
She's like a scalper. She's market manipulation.
What?
Market manipulation. Holy sh.
You learn from you with the Giratinas.
With me and the Giratinas. Okay. Licia is cooked. This used to be like 200. I remember.
Nah, I didn't.
Now it's 120. And last but not least, I think we're at Mewtwo. Can we flip 18 or 1900? 1800 or 1900?
Alright, what is 18, 1900?
Yeah, you down?
Let's do it.
Thank you.
Okay.
So we're gonna be flipping
Yeah.
1800 or 1900. Do you want to flip or call? I think.
I'll throw you a call.
Okay. Oh man.
You know, actually, he's my editor. He edits for PokeRev.
Oh, I see. Dude,
Yeah.
I watch your videos.
Oh, thank you. Let me show your camera too. Glaceon, Mew, Leafeon, Jesse and James, Mewtwo, Lisa's Appeal, Zapdos, Mew,
Come on, I'm
and
feeling
Red.
lucky, guys. I'm feeling lucky.
With Jinky's Co. Ready?
Yes. Here we
You want me to
go.
throw it on the ground so I don't crack your display case?
Sounds good.
All right.
Alright.
3, 2, 1, call it.
Tails.
Call it! GG's.
Golden pools, guys. Golden pools. Let's go.
Damn,
Thank
you're
you.
2-0 against me now.
I gave you this for
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Boom.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, homie.
Appreciate you.
I'd value this at 220.
That's fine.
Okay. I'll do 300 market on this.
That's fine.
Let me check Sylvie.
I'll keep this one. Ross 260. I get this right.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. 250?
I've had that card.
250.
250.
Okay, so we got these two. Starmie, I'm at like 280 on Starmie. You cool on 280?
Yeah.
Okay. There's 270 comps as well, but Sonic looks fluffy. Can I pet him?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Is Sonic fast?
Yeah. It's very fast.
Wow.
Fastest foot, boy.
Zard, I'd be at 215.
That's fine.
And this is interesting. The swirl's talking to me. Oh, is this yours, right?
Yeah.
Can I get the celebrations one?
It's a nice one. I have like 10 at home. I like hoarding that one.
Do you?
Yeah. I think
How much is Squirtle? Like 170?
like 200, 180?
I'll take a look at that one too. 300?
What is it?
That's sold 299.
Yeah, but these are all within the same week. That's why I put it at 350 average. 350, 360. The really high ones are that. 330.
Okay. And then we got these added up so far. 230, Doncelli. 230, 240, 233, 230, 230. 180,
Yeah.
180, 160, 210, 200, 185, 180. It's all 180 after that. 175. Let me see this. I'll take it at 330 market. 335, 330, 323, 310. 330. What do you want to value this at?
What is it? 80.
620?
625.
Real question is, what percent do you want all this?
I heard you pay like 95, right?
No, her high point was 90%.
Sure, 90%.
No, that's how she should beat me.
What would you value this at?
We'll flip 87.90.
Let me see. That's market.
23.50, 25.50.
That's crazy.
Down 100, up 100.
I will do 23.50,
25.50.
24.50. That's basically exactly what I did with her. Actually, it's better than what I gave her. I'm sorry.
23.25.
Sure. Let's run it. Holy, I'm gonna get cooked.
Wait, Fab, what's the flip?
23 or 25. $200 flip. Yours was $100. This is the big boy league. All right, so I'm with Fab's TCG. We're gonna coin flip over this Lugia in a 10, Zardy Boy, Squirtle, Celebration Zard, beautiful swirly base set 2 Charizard, Charizard VMAX, Japanese Celebration Zard, Sylveon and Starmie. We're gonna coin flip 2300 or 2500. 2300 or 2500. I'll throw you a call. Ready? Hey Sabrina, you ready to watch him get cooked?
Ready?
Hey Jake, he's gonna call it. Ready? Or do you want to call for him?
I'll call it.
No, let him call it. He's like, no, don't for me.
I'm gonna blame you if I lose.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, call it.
Head.
He says heads.
Oh no!
Oh!
What'd you say? I couldn't hear you.
Go in, pose.
Go in. Oh, damn.
God. I just sent you another 250. All right, this deal is done, and then let's continue the comping here, sir. What was your name again?
Oh, Alex. Bro.
Alex? Nice to meet you. Arvin, thank you. Big fan as well. All right, so I added this. It was 290.
Yeah.
230. 230 was which one? This was 270. This.
260 on the Blastoise, 230 on the Garchomp,
Uh-huh.
290 on both.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, so so 270, 260, correct. 230, 290, and 290. I'll add down to 290. 170. This dropped as well. I think it's like 170. I'd say 170. I'm scared now. What do you want to value it at?
170 star.
Okay. Last sold 299, 276, 259, 264. Zidivia, how much offer on these?
I had a 12.
I'll coin flip you 2,500, 2,700. Middle point 2,600. At that, that's 1,428. If you add 12 to that, it's basically like 2,600. Do you want to flip $100 up or down? I'm gonna lose again. Basically, coin flip 2,500 or 2,700. 2,600 middle point.
What do you comping those at?
You're saying, I think.
Basically, cash price was around 1,200. 25, 27.
That's fair.
Yeah.
I won three
Heads, tails.
I don't want this to be the
What was your name again?
Alex.
Alex? All right, we're gonna flip up Alex. 2,500 or 2,700. Persian, Alakazam, Mew, Machamp, Garchomp, Blastoise, Pikachu, and I think this is sequential, right? Sequential, Stamp, Pikachu, and Cramorant promos.
Adam,
I'll throw you a call. Ready?
I won.
What's up? Holy.
Holy! 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh.
Yeah?
You said heads? I lost all 3 of you.
Golden balls!
I lost $500 to this table. I'll do 0 or 200. I'm gonna lose.
Double or nothing. Adam, time to flip. 0 or 240.
Oh.
I've been telling him that all day. I've been telling him to do like 0 doubles all day.
I said 0 or 200. I'll do 0 or 200.
No, 200 is too low.
220, me in the middle.
I said 240. I was at 260.
Oh, you got
All right, have a good one, guys.
I appreciate you, bro.
What's up? Sorry, I don't have the balls. Oh, thank you. All right, we got Republic Bricks here. Can't even see them. There we go. Is it all Milky Bag stuff or is there cheaper stuff too?
No, there's whatnot cards.
That's like $70, right? Or is it whatnot? I want to see like what percent are cheaper and 1%ers more. Holy.
Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not?
Milky guy.
Why not?
All right, what do you want to do?
I want 90.
I want to be a little lower than that, brother.
What are you gonna get from me? I don't want 85. Cause I can move most of this stuff for 90 to my guy up
That's market?
Yeah.
Without this, right?
Yeah, without that.
12? And flip off that?
Flip. I don't flip.
No flip?
That's crazy. Here's your 2% off.
PayPal? I don't have that much cash. I could Zelle you maybe.
Okay. Kev.
Whatever I have left on my limit. Oh wait, we're buying this? I don't want to pay 8% for this.
To be fair, I do have a cash offer over there of like $23.50.
What'd you comp it at?
25.
Bro, we'd be paying $2,200 for this.
That's what I told him.
But I'm gonna get you on bid, bro. Then you have no fees, and then we're gonna be cooking.
Let's just take this out.
So
13.
Hold on, let me look through everything real quick.
All right, yeah. Make sure you like everything.
What is this worth?
It's like 420.
Decent card. What did you value this at?
same, 25.
I think that you have 25 on that one.
I can take it out.
Maybe, hold on. Groudons, what are they, 300?
3 to I think 320.
No, we put 315 on there.
315, yeah.
315?
Yeah.
How much are these, like cheap?
$50, 40 bucks.
Okay, so if it was 1383, right? 13833. You said 2500 here?
Yeah.
11333. What's 88%? 99. Can we just flip 9900 or 10K?
I don't flip. I'm not a gambling man. I'm not like you.
No flip? It could be a $10,000 flip basically. It'd be a $50 flip basically.
Nah, I don't care.
You want to do it?
I'm flip.
No flip?
No flip.
I'll do 99.50.
All right, then we'll flip 99.50 or 10.
No.
See, that
That's so
one's flip.
stupid.
No, I'll do 99 or 10 or just 99.50 straight.
99.50 is fine.
Okay. All right, Mr. Tim, Dalton, Bill, Frank. We're gonna buy all these cards for $9,950. Pikachu, birds, holy, so many cards. Venusaur, Zard, Jesse James, Pikachu, Iono. What'd you value Iono at?
9,000.
Zard, Miraidon. Yeah.
No, 550.
Umbreon, VMAX, Shiny Charizard, Dialga, Chansey. That's a cool card. Iron Leaves, Yan Mega in a 10. What's the pop on that? Like 40?
Low.
Lickitung,
30.
2 Pikachus.
Is it really 30?
I think it's more actually.
That's crazy.
It's crazy. My brain.
Pikachu, Salamence. I like that card from Journey Together. Rayquaza, Gloom, Groudons, 2 of those. Gouging Fire, beautiful Reshiram. Love that card. Iron Crown, Metagross. That Metagross gives me like Christmas vibes too. Suicune, Roaring Moon, Ghastly, cool card. Drowsy, Cleffa, Latios, and Sylveon. That's wait. And last but not least, we have Iono, Iron Crown, beautiful Japanese Umbreon V, Glaceon, Pikachu, Miltank for that milk, Miraidon, Darkrai, aka Darkrai's TCG, Lily, Lugia. What'd you value Lugia at? Charizard,
6.
Roaring Moon, Salamence, and Eternatus. 9,000. Yeah, maybe. 9,950. That's it for San Diego front row. See you in the next one.